What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this wonderful, like this album cover hard. If you ask me, it's super duper hard. I love it. It's probably the best album cover I made. I made this one too, but see, he liked to post his stuff on SoundCloud, so that's the only reason I made his like that kind of way. But I feel like this real hard, and it's not too much going on. It's just, yeah, I really like this album cover. And I know nowadays everybody want to rap, everybody want to, you know, everybody don't know people or got the money to go pay somebody to make them an album cover, when y'all can just do it on your own. Like with the same apps that I use for this, I use for this album cover, y'all. CapCut, Fonto, and PixArt. This is the same thing I use for this album cover. So basically, first thing I did was I went to Safari and I found me a black background, you know what I'm saying? And I chose this black background. The only thing I searched up, y'all, was a black background. I said black background and this popped up. Simple. And I used this picture. So yeah, first thing I did, I went to PixArt. Y'all, I just made this thumbnail too. This hard, ain't it? So yeah. So I went to PixArt and I went to that picture. And basically, I did, y'all, I scrolled over, went to mask, and I went to fold 3. Okay, guys, so it went blank for a reason. It's because watch what's next. You gotta subscribe. Y'all finna see how it is. You still don't have to pay for anything, but just watch. Okay, so this is the best time for me to show y'all this. In my last video, I mentioned that sometimes when you want to use certain effects on PixArt and it won't let you, this is what y'all do. You hit use free trial, continue, and you go with the process. I definitely don't have $55.99 on my card right now, so it's definitely not gonna go through. But still, you see, you are all set. Your purchase was successful. It's not gonna charge you until 7 days, but you don't even gotta have a card on here for it to go through. So yeah, let that load. So boom, now it works. Apply. So I did that, y'all, and I want to say I went to effects and I hit HDR and I hit apply. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to stickers, bullet holes. Did I click bullet holes? I don't think I typed up bullet holes, but this is the ones that I used. So we're gonna place these bullet holes somewhere. So let's go back and let's just place them everywhere else for right now. You don't want to make them too big. Like, don't make them that big. That looks so retarded. Just make them a little small, because bullet holes not that big, y'all. Just make them a little small. Let's go back to here. I'm really just gonna keep adding a lot of them, y'all. Y'all don't gotta do this, but I'm finna do this because so I hit apply. You know what I'm saying? So then we're gonna go back to stickers and you're gonna type in bullets and this picture will come up. And I just played with it, y'all. It don't really matter how you do it. Just, do you. Whatever is best for y'all, you know what I'm saying? It don't really too much matter. Oh, I went to effects, y'all, to put it in HDR. Just turn it down enough so they can see it a little bit. Then that's when you're gonna go back to that picture. Okay, so for this, I went to remove BG to do this picture. and it turns out fine. It works better than PixArt's cutout, but you gonna go to files to save it. But PixArt, you can do it on PixArt too if you got the gold subscription, and I showed y'all the trick to that already. Now we're gonna sit him up because he don't need to be tilting sideways like he finna take off running. Y'all, when I showed him this picture, he was like, it look like I'm finna take off running somewhere. But he slept on me because it turned out good. But he used it, so. I went to shadow, and I'm just adjust it all the way at first, and then I found my green by adjusting it. This is the green that I wanted, and I put all of them at 0 to start with. And then when I saw it, I went to +1 on the horizontal line, and yeah, that's that. And I turned it down just a little bit because I don't want it to be too bright, so I just turned it down a little bit. Okay, now I went back to stickers. Don't do that. We don't do no fake guns. So now we're gonna go to never mind, y'all, I can't talk for nothing. Parental advisory. And I was just scrolling, and eventually I came across this green right here, and I squeezed it in the corner over here. We're gonna hit apply, y'all. So boom, it's applied. Once you hit apply, you can't go back. I'm telling you, like, watch. Let me download it first. Like, it's gonna erase everything you done did because you done applied it. So next you go to Fonto. I literally just got done making a thumbnail for somebody. Okay, let's reset. We're gonna go to photo albums. Click the picture. Then his album cover name was All Ops Must Die. So I went to style, and I changed the color to green. That's not the green I used though. It was a green on here that I used. I used this green right here, and I turned the green thing right there all the way up. Or did I turn it? Let me see. I used this green right here, and then I went to stroke, and I went to alpha, and I just gave it a little bump with the width. And then I went to style, and I clicked alpha again, and then I just changed the blur just a little bit. And then I just played around with it. Boom. Okay, so next for the bottom where his name is, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know what font I used for his name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save it because I just went through here and I couldn't find that font at all. So we're gonna go back to PixArt. Okay, so back to PixArt, y'all. Like I said, y'all, this stuff is easy. Just, hack the system. It's not illegal. I mean, it did say free 7 trial, didn't it? It's not illegal, so just hack the system. If you're trying to do something, if you're trying to use these effects, just do it. And this is the second time I did it. Like, just keep doing it. Every time you do it, just use 7-day free trial. So all you gotta do, just make sure a card not attached, or make sure you remember to turn your card off, or remove your card, or put it on an old card with nothing on it. and it's gonna be trying to take money off of it, and ain't nothing gonna come off of it type thing. But yeah, so I went to text and I typed in J Ugly. No, I was playing. J the Jig. I'm mad I can't find the other one. Okay, we're gonna use this one right here. Boom. This supposed to be black, and the stroke supposed to be boom. Y'all would like to, if this cover art is that interesting, where you like, dang, let me see how hard the album is, go check it out. And yes, that is hard, for real, for real. Okay. I'm gonna put this. Okay, so boom. And then at the top, where I had Jit Too Slimy at, alright, and then on here, y'all, to bend it, you gotta have a crown. But if you go to Fonto, if they got this same effect on Fonto. Let me go ahead and show y'all, because for the people that need help, or maybe y'all come around to this video and PixArt and found out about the little hack, and you need to still bend your words, you can go to Fonto. I'm just use a regular thing, curve, all that for free, and it's way better than PixArt. So yeah. But since we got the little hat going on, I keep saying hat, y'all, when it's really not a hat. It really is, because it ain't like you finna pay for it. And then, yeah. And for the last effect, which is the slime, we're gonna hit apply. Well, it's another effect coming while I'm talking about last effect. But you got the slime and you gotta add the number 2. I went to CapCut. Alright, and for the number 2, I use my favorite font to use on PixArt, which is Fetching. It's just so hard to me. And I went to effects, I went to basic, and I used this one. Yeah, I used this one. That's that, and then download it. You're gonna go to your camera roll and you're gonna screenshot it. When you want something to lay on top of something, you gotta apply certain stuff first and jump like that. Y'all understand. Once y'all start doing this stuff on your own, you understand. So boom, we're gonna do not save that. Type up green slime. Or did I just type up slime? I probably just typed up slime, y'all, but I typed up one of these, and I use this one. No, it's fine. So boom, I applied that, and after I did that, I just went to effects and I hit HDR, and it gave it that pop. Yeah, that's that. So I hit apply again. Yeah, that's your, you can't tell me this cover art ain't hard. So this is the copy that I just made, and this is the original. Like, come on now. If anything, this copy that I just made look better. I'm just playing. I like the original better, but I just want to come on here and show y'all people how to make y'all own cover arts. This is a sample of how to do it, and I hope y'all really liked this and enjoyed it, and I really hope it was helpful for y'all, because maybe y'all can start asking me to do them. I'm just playing. I don't mind doing it. It helps me with my skills. But yeah, now y'all know how to make y'all own cover arts. It's easy and it's free. Period. Exactly how I make my thumbnails, intros, all that with the same 3 apps. It's amazing. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, or, and just keep me updated on what y'all want to see, and I promise I will drop it. I just dropped another video on how to make another intro, your own intro, because y'all been asking me. The other one is almost a year old, so y'all want something new and up to date, and I did that for y'all. Make sure y'all go check that out. Link will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep God first.